Hi guys, I'm Luana. Today for the class, you're going to learn how to make a Raspberry Cosmo, which is a lovely variation on a Cosmopolitan. We are using 42 below vodka, and I think you guys are going to love it. Enjoy your drinks.
All right guys, I'm Kay, I'm here at TT, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of the drinks from our new cocktail class lineup. This is a Raspberry Cosmopolitan. I'm going to start off with some fresh raspberries. So I've got some raspberries here. I'm going to take my muddler and just use that to kind of mash up those raspberries, get all the juice and the flavour out of them. I've got this 42 below vodka, and we want about 35 mils or a shot and a half of our vodka. So we've got 1.5. And I want about 15 mils or just over half a shot of my triple sec. And same as the triple sec, we want about 15 mils or just over half a shot of our lime juice. I've got some Pago cranberry juice here. We want about a shot or 25 mils of our cranberry juice. Big old smack to seal it. And we'll shake that for around about 10 to 15 seconds. Here we go. And I'm going to double strain this cocktail into the glass just so that we don't get any of those little bits from the raspberries. To garnish this guy, I'm just going to grab a cocktail stick and another one of these raspberries, pop that on there and balance that on top of my cocktail. And that is our Raspberry Cosmo ready to drink.